everyone. So this is episode 24, and I'm finally getting back to building. So you can see here I've got the wing kit all uncrated and inventoried the other day. So time to get to building, and I chose the right wing as the starting point. It's a little easier than the left wing, I believe. Reason being is that the right wing does not have the pitot system for airspeed, so I think it'll be a little easier. So I figured it would be probably the better place to start, rather than the slightly more complicated left wing. So that was what I did, and it's not. It goes pretty quick, really. The video is. I don't know. Looks not that great to me, but the assembly goes pretty quick. Now, there were a couple things that caused me some delays that I didn't really anticipate. Actually, what I'm messing with right now is that tiny little root rib. It didn't seem to fit in, onto that the end of that spar very well at all. And the reason being is there's a small piece of metal. You really can't see it that well in the video, but there's a piece of metal there that is going forward. It's kind of hard to describe, but the angled piece coming down in that pig where I'm working blocks the basically hits the inside radius of that nose rib. So I had to work around that a little bit of filing. It's not too bad, but it did cost some extra time that I really didn't anticipate. But not everything fits together just perfectly. So it is what it is. What it is. It's not wasn't that big of a deal. Just required a little extra work. But all the ribs, a lot of them are the same, but there's actually, I guess, 4 total different types of ribs, so you have to make sure you get them all laid out properly in the right order and facing the right direction. All the flanges face outboard except for one. And one thing the factory did that I don't like is you see the 2 nose ribs there that are not attached, and that's because they riveted a section on the back of that spar. Solid rivets and pulled rivets, and I'm going to have to drill those out, I think. So I've presented a question to one of the builders group to see if that's the case or if I just missed something. So I don't know. We'll see. But that was today. 3 hours and 46 minutes of work. Talk to y'all later.